Running a barbershop today isn't just about good fades and sharp lineups. It's business. And customers judge your business the second they pay. Cash only can look old school, even a little questionable. But when you take card with a modern terminal, you show you're legit, professional, and transparent. No awkward cash handling. No raised eyebrows. Just clean, clear payments. Meet our card machine, fast, simple, and built for barbers. Tap, chip, phone, done in seconds. Every payment is recorded automatically, so your books stay tidy, your receipts stay organized, and you never have to explain missing cash. Customers trust businesses that accept card, and trust means more walk-ins, more returning clients, more upsells. Look credible. Look modern. Look like a barbershop that means business. With our terminal, you get instant reports, easy settlements, and a fully digital record of every cut you get paid for. No stress. No confusion. No suspicion. Just smooth payments, clear paperwork, and more confidence from the people who sit in your chair. Because a great barber doesn't just give a haircut, he runs a brand. Level up yours today. Upgrade to card payments. Show you're professional. Get paid fast. And keep your business clean, trusted, and future-proof. Start now, the smart barbers are already doing it.